Hello guys, the Guru here. I'm back again with another video. As you can see on this app, I have already earned $20 and you can earn even more, up to $500. What you need to do first is to apply and become an ambassador of this program. You can see I am already a part of an ambassador of this program, and I will be able to withdraw $20 every 20 signups. So you earn $1 for every sign up. If you are interested in this video into earning similar results, please stick with me until the end. Don't skip any part. Let's roll the intro. Okay guys, what you need to do first is to download the app. Obviously I will leave a link on the description so that you'll be able to download the app. So after downloading the app, just open it and click on the sign up, and the sign up is very simple and straightforward. Just put out your first name and your last name and accept the terms and conditions, and they will ask you to put in your birth date here. Just put in your birth date and also your gender. After putting out your gender, just choose your username. You can choose any name. Make sure your name is unique, and you put out your password. You can choose a strong password. It's up to you. It must be 8 characters long. So just continue after doing that, and they will ask you your phone number. Don't use the phone number option, just change it to email, because the phone number option, it doesn't work for some reason. So I don't know why it doesn't work. So put out your email address so that they will send the verification code. Just wait for the code here. You can see the code. You can see 348 what. Okay, let me just put the code here and click on continue after put out your code here. So this is the landing page of this app. So basically guys, this app is just a social media where you can interact with people. Yeah, it is similar to Instagram and even better to my opinion. So it allows you to add other social media, so you can basically add other links of your social media here so that people can follow you on other social media. So what you need to do now is to click on the 3 dots here and then click on accounts, and it will redirect you to your account profile. You can see here, click on the invite friends at the bottom. You can see the invite friends option. It just doesn't talk about rewarding us anything. The reason being is because we are not an ambassador of this program, not part of the affiliate program. So what we need to do now is to apply for the affiliate program. So you can do that by going to Instagram and searching the profile of this app. It is called Linkme. So just follow the page. It has 380,000 plus. So just give them a message and say you would like to become an ambassador of this app. So they will just respond to you. They are very quickly at responding. It will take about less than 5 minutes, and then they will respond to you. So let's just wait for the response. So after they have responded, they will ask you to take a screenshot of your profile and send it to them. After doing that, they will process your affiliate links, so that they will give you the affiliate link and start promoting the app. So you will start earning money. So guys, we are here for money. So after they have sent you your invite link, just click it. You will see here you have now an ambassador of this program. You can see. So what you need to do now is to share it to your friends and start earning money. So let me just repeat the steps that we did before. Just go to invite friends. You can see it is now different because we are now an affiliate of this program. So let me just show you the withdrawal process very quickly. So the withdrawal process is very simple. Just put in your first name here. They will ask you to put in your names and your last name, and they will also ask you for your PayPal email address. So this is the only method of payment. It is through PayPal. So if you don't have PayPal, just I will advise you to create a PayPal address. So we're done, guys. So that's it. So after cashing out, just go to your email address just to confirm that you have put in the correct email address. So they should give us an email. So you can see here they say thank you for redeeming your $20. So practically they will just send us our $20.